There are lots of mosquito in our area, and I just request you, the corporation, Pune Corporation, to resolve it as quickly as possible because it's dangerous to our health also. And yeah, children's there is lots of children in our area, so I request
How
resolve
horrible
it.
the situation is, and since
Yeah, it's
last
so
week,
horrible. It's like so much mosquito. It's like a tornado of mosquitoes, you can say, in our
you see
area.
the tornado of
Yeah,
mosquitoes.
yeah, I see, and I see on reels also, Insta reels also. So yeah, there is a tremendous amount of mosquitoes. You can see here also in camera also. So yeah, I just request you.
This issue is increased since last few days, or it's already.
Yeah, it's increased. I think since last week it's tremendously increased.